High-speed machining is becoming extremely popular due to its ability to extend tool life by 500% while reducing cycle times 80% or more. With gains this dramatic, you'd expect to find a system with extensive setup and overhead. But is that the case? Let's find out. High-speed machining toolpaths use smooth, flowing motion, which eliminates sharp directional changes and variances in tool load. Take a look at this picture. On the left, it shows all the sharp corners where the tool would experience a high load, which reduces its tool life. On the right, you can see the high-speed machining toolpath. This allows the tool to operate under constant load conditions, which extend the tool's life and reduce cycle times. I will show you how you can benefit from high-speed machining using Volumill found within SOLIDWORKS CAM Professional, as well as certain bundles of CAMWorks. Volumill is a tool that optimizes the toolpath by eliminating sharp corners as well as adjusting feeds and speeds. Typically, spindle speeds above 8,000 RPMs would be considered high-speed machining. However, if you don't have a machine that is capable of high RPMs, Volumill can still have a big impact just by optimizing your toolpaths. It may also allow you to increase production while lowering the speeds to an acceptable limit, or using tools with more flutes due to the reduced chip load. This conventional rough operation is estimating 300 minutes to accomplish using a 30mm end mill at a 40% step over. When we simply change the machining method to Volumill and specify how aggressive we would like to set our feeds and speeds, we can see that it's down to about 30 minutes. That is 10 times faster than the conventional method, while increasing the tool life significantly. High-speed machining is a technique that we encourage all of our customers to explore if they're doing in-house manufacturing. If you are looking to reduce cycle times and increase tool life with virtually the same time investment in programming, Volumill might be a great fit for your operation. Volumill is included in SOLIDWORKS CAM Professional, so please reach out to your local CADimensions sales representative in order to get access to this feature. Have a great day.